This video is strictly for males, especially for those who have the courage to hear the truth. Many of you may find our words very harsh, and it is possible that we will receive a lot of hate in the comments section of this video. However, in this video, we will expose how the concept of Sigma male has been distorted by big YouTubers. The truth is, Sigma males are completely different because, in reality, they are a unique and rare breed of men. Only 0.1% of males are real Sigma males. But the internet and social media have made this concept so common that everyone has started considering themselves a Sigma male. If you also think you are a Sigma male, then you probably don't even know what a real Sigma male is. More important than becoming a Sigma male is understanding what a real Sigma male actually is. In earlier times, males were divided into two categories, alpha males and beta males. Beta males were followers who quietly obeyed any order given to them. The ones who gave these orders were alpha males, those who ruled with their leadership abilities, high confidence, and no-nonsense attitude. As society evolved, people started realizing that there's a third category of males who live in shadows. They are neither alpha nor beta. A new category had to be created for them, Sigma. They possess all the qualities of an alpha male, but they never lead anyone. Like betas, they remain silent, but they never follow anyone. They create their own world and live in it. In a power hierarchy, alpha males have always been at the top, and beta males have followed them. Now, the question arises, where do Sigma males fit into this hierarchy? The answer is nowhere. Sigma males create their own hierarchy where they stand alone with no one around them. Just like in the jungle, there is an alpha lion whom everyone considers the king. But there is also a Sigma tiger whom everyone equally fears. In a wolf pack, the leader is an alpha, but a lone wolf is a Sigma. Alpha males have an advantage. Because of their leadership abilities, they have an army of beta males. However, a Sigma fights alone. If an alpha male and a Sigma male were to have a one-on-one fight, they would be equal opponents. If you are a male and want to live an extraordinary life, you need to shed the beta male label and embrace becoming a Sigma male. To secure your place in the power hierarchy, you must follow certain rules of Sigma males. Rule number 1, don't pretend to be a Sigma. Many people first try to become alpha males. When they fail, they start pretending to be Sigma males. Fake Sigma males are actually beta males who spend their entire day in their rooms, scrolling through their phones, playing video games, and procrastinating on their goals. They are afraid to talk to girls, yet they act as if they are ignoring them. Behind the scenes, they are obsessed with them and tell their friends that they are Sigma males. Real Sigma males never try to prove that they are Sigma. A tiger living in the jungle never makes noise. It does not go to the alpha lion and shout, "I am a tiger, respect me." The alpha lion already knows that the Sigma tiger exists and respects it. So stop trying to prove that you are a Sigma. The day you become one, people will understand on their own. Calling yourself a Sigma male out loud does not make you one. Rule number 2, be gender neutral. Now, let's clear up a major misconception. Being a Sigma male does not mean oppressing women, children, or weaker individuals. That is actually a sign of a weak and beta male. Today, you will find many short videos on social media where men verbally or physically disrespect women, and people call them Sigma males. But disrespecting, harassing, or assaulting someone, whether a woman, a child, or a weaker person, is something any weak male can do. A real Sigma male is someone whom people, whether male or female, think 10 times before speaking rudely to. A Sigma male is always ready to fight a man rather than lying in bed all day staring at his phone. Those who act like that are not Sigma males, they're weak males. Sigma males respect everyone equally, whether male or female. This is what sets them apart from alphas and betas. Alphas try to dominate everyone, while Sigmas know how to protect. Simply put, Sigma males do not differentiate based on gender. For them, everyone is equal. That's why you will never see them waiting for a girl or offering her a seat, because to them, women are not special creatures who deserve extra importance. They talk to women with the same level of respect as they do with others and never belittle themselves. They do not fear those more powerful than them, nor do they oppress those weaker than them. Instead, they help them. In short, they are just like soldiers of the army, both powerful and helpful. Rule number 3, stay resilient. Sigma males are highly resilient. No matter how tough the situation is, they handle it without pain or complaints. Their poker face attitude keeps them calm, whether in an exciting moment or a depressing one. No matter how much you try to break them, apply physical or mental pressure, they remain strong from within. The most successful person is the one who remains the same in moments of joy and sorrow. Only he attains liberation. Look at Thomas Shelby, Steve Jobs, Bruce Lee, or Keanu Reeves. Put them in any situation and they never lose their composure. They patiently analyze the problem and solve it. A real Sigma male's true nature is revealed during tough times. Imagine standing alone in an open battlefield with your enemy's army surrounding you. There is no escape, no weapon in hand, no strength left to fight. Yet you stand tall, ready to fight till your last breath, never begging for help. That is a true Sigma. Rule number 4, embrace yourself. The biggest quality of a real Sigma male is that he can go to any extent to improve himself. He hunts his goals until he achieves them. He does not care about comfort or rest. His hunger for success is so strong that it does not let him live in peace. He spends most of his time working on himself. He avoids unnecessary conversations, does not sit with useless people, does not attend sheep parties, and does not waste time on social events. He does not care where his friends are or what they are doing. For a Sigma male, the greatest inspiration is himself and his life. Call it self-obsession, ego, or attitude, whatever you want. For him, the most important thing in the world is himself and his life's purpose. Rule number 5, silence is power. A true Sigma male prefers peace over noise. His entire identity is like a lone wolf, an independent traveler who carves his own path. He does not like unnecessary chatter. He does not argue to prove himself right. If something needs to be done, he takes responsibility and gets it done himself. This is why Sigma males speak very little, but when they do, they shake everyone. Every word they speak is carefully thought out. They are not extroverted leaders like alpha males who influence people with powerful speeches. A Sigma male's true power lies not in his words, but in his actions. He listens quietly, observes everything, thinks deeply, and then takes action. If you want to understand the real power of silence and turn it into your strength, watch this video. It will make you powerful.